Reverse mortgages, they can really be a lifesaver for many people. But just like any other home loan, there's pros and cons with a reverse mortgage. And so we need to understand how it works, what are some of the benefits, and maybe even debunk some myths. Now, first of all, a reverse mortgage is really a form of an equity loan. We have to have equity in the property. And the reason for that is because with a reverse mortgage, there is no expectation of repayment. The borrower does not have to make a mortgage payment every month. They don't have to pay back the principal or interest. In fact, most people don't. That's the benefit of it. But the interest that is due, that accumulates on the mortgage, it gets added to the loan balance, and that grows over time. This is why we have to have a certain amount of equity in the home in order for a reverse mortgage to work. Now, if you already own a home and you do a refinance, you can pull money out in one of a few different ways. One, it could be a lump sum. You could get a line of credit and you can tap into the money whenever you choose. Or you can get a monthly distribution that's just auto deposited into the checking account every month. Now we can also use a reverse mortgage as a purchase. We can take some assets that we have sitting elsewhere, maybe they're otherwise invested or we just sold another home. We can use those assets as part of the down payment, get a reverse mortgage on the new purchase, and not have any monthly mortgage payments moving forward. Now, one of the myths that's out there is that I'm not going to own my home anymore if I do a reverse mortgage. And that's not true. You're going to be on title, you're going to own the home just like you do with a regular mortgage. And there's going to be a lien against the property just like a regular mortgage. But you certainly still own the home. Now, one of the borrowers needs to be at least 62 years of age in order to qualify. And there's some other qualifying factors to make sure there's a residual income and a few other things. So really, we need to have a chat to see if a reverse mortgage is right for you or your parents or people that you know who just want to have a better quality of life, free up some cash flow in their elder years. That's why we're here talking about it. So let me know what questions you have about a reverse mortgage. Give me a call. Love to chat with you about that.